Alright, we're finally getting that pullback. Even though it just barely pierced these highs, it's still a good cross. We're in the direction of the longer trend. We got a cross of the moving averages on the shorter trend, and our entry is going to be 99.50. I'm going to enter at 99.50 if we can get a pullback here, guys. 99.50. And then our final target will be up at 1501. So we'll see if we can even get a pullback here. Yeah, John. Yep. 99.50. Yep. Well, I put it at 99.50. Got to fill it 99.25 as it spiked down here to 99 even. So it's a small risk on this actual position. So let's just give it 5 ticks, and our final target's up there at 1501. So let's go ahead and let this play out. We got the ticks coming back and using the 0 level as a support. So everything is in our direction. We have the dollar starting to sell off a little bit. Built a little bit of a resistance up here, but then the dollar has started to sell back off. So we want to see this dollar continue to sell off as the tick bounces off this 0 level down here. So let's watch the tick really close. Let's hope that it uses the 0 level as its support, and that would be okay with us. We'll trade it right back to the upside, and yeah. So we are going to be making new higher highs on this target. Yeah, Wes, we are, but that's all right with us. Just sit here and be patient. That's what a lot of these strategies are. We're going to be making higher highs and so on and so forth. What happened was we went into a little bit of a consolidation area here. After this little move here and this spike up, we did make a high tick. So we're looking for this to continue to the upside. We did make a new higher tick here as this pierced through. So we're looking for this to go ahead and continue to make higher. And there goes the tick. So let's just see if this can sustain a little bit. If it gets back up here and retests the 1500.5, I will drag the stop to the entry price, because I don't want it to come up, retest the highs, and roll back over and fall over. So we're just going to sit here and wait, and if it does happen to retest 1505, we're going to drag our second target up to the entry price. Other than that, we're risking $25 now. We got one target off, so we're now risking $25 in this whole position. Not too bad. And we have the tick still holding up above. We did have a little bit of a sell-off, a quick snapback after it retested this 800 level. So this could be a little bit of an exhaustion. Let's see if we can get a little spike up here. And if this doesn't go somewhat quickly, I am completely fine with dragging this down to 15.25, just in front of these highs, because we are not able to make new highs on the tick down here, and it could show a little bit of a sign of exhaustion here in this market. So let's watch this tick very closely here. Watch this tick very closely here, guys. I'm looking for a nice chunk of buyers to come through here, but it just hasn't happened. So if we were to not be in a limited risk trade by now, I would probably be looking at taking some an order off, because we haven't had the big buyers come in here. The big blocks of green. Sorry about that, guys. And here's what I was explaining. We did get shunned down here on the tick. It did hold 0 though, so that was fine. But whenever it came back up, it kind of got rejected in a way here. It touched, and you see this long wick here, kind of got rejected here. So I mean, we are dancing around in the very high level. We're at plus 400. You know, it's not like we're in the negatives right here, but we want to see this have a little push here, a little push, and we'll be out. I think there's some news coming out, so good thing we're in a limited risk trade. We really have no skin in this, so we're completely fine with this position. So let's just see what plays out right here, whether we're gonna make 150 bucks or real close to that 1505 level. Get to that 1505, like I said, I'm dragging this to my entry price. I'm dragging this second contract here, my entry price. So we're real close to getting a completely risk-free trade here. If it retests the highs, we're going to have a completely risk-free trade here. Let's see though. Alright, we are out of this position. We're done. Alright, 112, not too bad. A lot of orders coming through there, guys. A lot of orders coming through there, so not bad. We were in a low risk trade the whole time, even whenever 7 o'clock came rolled around. There was some minor news coming out. You know, it didn't do a lot to the market. It just we were okay being in it still, even through the news, as long as we had a limited risk on. Now, if we did not have our first target hit and we were still risking a full stop, no chance would I have ever held that through a news announcement. So, Bernanke's getting on the microphone right now, so I supposed to be at 7 o'clock. Obviously, I don't have CNBC on. It kind of bogs me down, but I can see this getting a little bit choppy and just not as good. So I'm very happy we were able to get a position off before all that went down. So, all right, very cool. Not too bad, but I'm gonna probably be sitting on my hands here for a little bit. Yeah, Wes. Yep. Yeah, I did, Wes. Yep. A little bit early. So 1500.75. 1500.75 was my exit. All right. Very cool. Yeah, John. Yep. All right, guys. Let's just see what we got setting up here. See if we can wait for another fill.